So I'm gonna do the door. Two doors actually. I remember something that I did that I jumped in the pool and I almost drowned. But never mind. Okay, let's go. Almost done. The shelves. I'm gonna do the shelves of the food.